Dear students, today's video is going to be about the topic dice from Know Your Aptitude book, where you have to utilize your mental ability and reasoning skills for understanding the questions related to this topic, dice. So let's get started. So students, I hope all of you must have played a game Ludo in which we use this dice, right? And you know that on this dice there are 6 numbers. So if I will say you that there is a number 5 that you can see, and what is the number opposite to this 5? So what we will do, we will just rotate this dice and we will see that there is a number 1. Similarly, if I will rotate this 1 and we will get here 6. Alright. Similarly, if I will have a number 4 here, and what will happen if I will rotate this? So if I will rotate this, the opposite number to 4 will be 3, right? So students, it's quite easy for us to find the opposite number to the given number on a dice. But what if there is a question in a book and they are asking us to find the opposite face to the given face on a dice? So today we will learn the tricks to do and to solve these type of questions. So we will start with the first question. So here we are having our first example. So firstly we will read the statement. In each of the following questions, the second die is obtained by rotating the first die horizontally to the right by an angle of 180 degree. Observe the dice and answer the questions that follow, right? So here you can see that the dice is there. So there are not 2 dices, only 1 die is there, right? When you will rotate this will come, right? So here they are saying that the second die is obtained by rotating the first die horizontally to the right. Now what we have to do, they have given us a question like this. The faces of this die show numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Numbers on the face opposite to the face showing 2 is what? Now they are asking us to find the number on the face opposite to the face showing 2, right? Now here you can see that on this die there is 2, the number 2, and we have to see that what number will be opposite to this number. So they have given us options. So out of these options we have to choose one. So what is the trick for solving these type of questions? So let's understand this. So here you can see that they have given us a direction on this dice. That means to this direction we have to move. So first step is that we have to see that the common number between these 2 dice, right? So here you can see that first, that is number 1 is the common number between these 2. So what we will do, we will start from number 1. We will write here number 1 and we have to move to this direction. So after 1 you will write here 2 and after 2 we will write here 3, right? Similarly for the second die, 1 is common. Next we will write here in this direction, we will write here 4 and after 4 we will write here 5, right? Now we have written all the numbers given on this dice, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now which number is left, which number is missing out here? That is the number 6 on the die is missing. So that means 6 will be written over here, right? So we will write 6 here. Now I have put here arrows. What does it mean? It means that 1 is opposite to 1, right? When you will rotate this die, so you will see that 1 will be opposite to this 1. 2 will be opposite to 4. 3 will be opposite to 5 because the number 6 was missing. So that means 6 will be opposite to 1 as well, right? Now here they have asked us to find the number on the face opposite to the face showing 2. So that means we have to see number 2. Which number will be opposite to 2? That is 4. So that means your answer C will be correct, right? So here we will put tick for giving our answer. Clear? So now we will move to our next example. So let's read the statement first. In the given question, the second die is obtained by rotating the first die vertically downward by an angle of 180 degree. Observe the dies and answer the following question. So here again they have given us one die, right? And after rotating this, we will get this die. Now they are asking us the faces of this die shows the letter A, B, C, D, E and F, and the letters that we have to find, the letters on the face opposite to the face showing letter A is out of these four options we have to select, right? Now we will follow the same trick, follow the same method that we have followed in the first example. So what we will do, the very first step is that we have to see the common number or the common letter in both dies. So what is common in both? That is A. Clearly we can see here A. So what we will do, we will write here A, right? Now they have given us direction like this. So that means we have to move in this direction. So firstly we will write A. After that we will write B. And after B we will write here C. Clear? So in the same way, for the second die, we will write here A. We will start from A because this is common. Next, we will write here D, and after D, we will write here E. Now, which letter is missing out here? F letter is missing, so we will write here F, which will be opposite to A, right? Now, opposite to A, there will be A. Opposite to B, there will be D. Opposite to C, that will be E, right? Similarly, opposite to E, there will be C. Opposite to D, there will be B. And opposite to A, there will be F. Or opposite to F, there will be A, right? Now they are asking us to find the letter on the face opposite to the face showing the letter A. So what will be opposite to A? There will be F. So that means we will mark A as our answer, right? So now let's move to the next example. In this example, again, we are given with a die and on which these symbols are there. Now the question is, the faces on this die shows a symbol triangle, hyphen, star, rectangle and a circle. Symbol on the face opposite to the face showing star is. So that means we have to find the symbol on the face opposite to the face showing star. So what we will do, again we will start by looking for the common letter number on the symbol, because here we are given with the symbol on the dice. So we will see the common symbol in both. So here you can see that which one is the symbol. Here you can see this is the rectangle which is given to us, right? So now in this rectangle is common in both. So here we are given with the direction. So that means we have to move in this direction, right? So first of all, because rectangle is given and this is common in both, so we will start with this rectangle here. So we will write here rectangle. After this rectangle, we will move to a circle, and after circle, we will move to a cross. So we will put here cross, right? Similarly, for the second die, we will write here or draw here a rectangle. Then we will move to a triangle and then we will move to the star. All right. So now which symbol is left out? Which symbol is missing? So here you can see that hyphen is missing. So we will write here hyphen, which will be opposite to rectangle, right? And here you can see that rectangle will be opposite to rectangle as well as the hyphen, and circle will be opposite to the triangle and cross will be opposite to the star, right? Now the question is about the symbol on the face opposite to the face showing star is. Now which symbol will be opposite to the star? That will be cross, right? So that means the answer D will be our correct answer, right? D option will be our correct answer. That will be cross, because cross is opposite to star as well as star is opposite to cross. So here we are having our answer, that is D. Clear? So now let's move to the next example. So now students, you can see in this example a die in this form. So that means we are having an open dice, right? Earlier we were doing the dice in which the two dice were given to us or a closed die was there. But now we are given with the question in which there is an open die. So we will see the question regarding this. So let's read the statement. In the following, a net of dice which is in the form of cube is given. Imagine how the net will look like when it is folded and choose from the option given, right? So that means they are saying that we are given with an open dice, and we will assume that, or we will imagine that how the net will look like when it is folded. So, and choose from the options, right? So students, earlier we were having a trick in which we were just looking for the common one in both the dice, and we were just rotating our dice and looking for the opposite number. But now here we are having an open dice in which the trick will be different. So what will happen if I will fold this dice, and what will be the next die after closing this dice, right? When we will fold this die, after folding it, which type of dice we will have? So we have to choose from these given options. So there is a trick. What is that trick? So look at here. So in this question, we are going to looking forward about the numbers, letters, or the symbols which are alternate to each other, right? For example, here you can see that triangle and a square, then star and a circle, right? Now, there will be again opposite symbols, numbers, or alphabets will be opposite to each other, but here we will see the alternate numbers or the symbols. So here you will see that triangle, and opposite to triangle, you can see opposite to triangle there will be star. So triangle will be opposite to star and star will be opposite to triangle, right? Similarly, a circle will be opposite to this square, or a square will be opposite to this circle. So that means we are taking here alternate symbols, right? Leaving one. So what will happen if we will fold this dice, and which type of dice we will get after this? So here you can see that this die we will get. And how can we get this die? Because this triangle is the opposite to star, right? So that means if you will fold it, so you will have triangle, and with this triangle you will have a square, and opposite to this you will have a star, right? So that means after triangle you will get a square, right? And down here you will get a star. If you will see this, you are getting here circle, and circle is the opposite to this square, right? And after circle you will get a triangle, but opposite to this you will get a square, but you are not having. So that means this will not your answer, same as for C and D. So that means A will be your answer for this question, right? So let's move to the next example. Now here students, again we are having a question related to open dice. So here you can see that in this shape now the dice is given to us. So here firstly B is given, 5 is given, E, and after this the sign division sign is there, right? So now what will happen if we will fold this and we will get a dice? So out of these 4 dice, which dice we will get? So now we will have the same trick, that is we will see the alternate numbers or alternate signs. So here you can see that opposite to B, E will be here, and opposite to 5, this division sign will be there. So here I have written opposite to B, E will be there, and opposite to 5, there will be division sign, right? So that means when you will fold this, so you will have B, which will be just next to B, there will be 5, and opposite to B, there will be E, right? Similarly, if you will fold it, you will have E along with 5, just next to 5, and opposite to 5, you will have division sign, right? Now, if you will have this first one, division sign is upper there, right? So after division sign, you will get here B, but B is not given here. So that means this will not our answer. Next, we will have B. So B is there, and after B, you will have 5, and after 5, that means here down, you will get somewhere E, which will be opposite to B. So that means this will be your answer, right? So how it will be not our answer? Let's see. E, opposite to E, division sign will be there, and after that there will be opposite B, but here B is given just next to E, that means this is wrong. Next one is E only, but E cannot be here only alone, that means some number or a letter or a sign should be there. So that means our answer would be B, right? So students, I hope all of you have understood all these questions, and now you are able to do the related questions given in your book. Thank you so much.